Imagine a 12-year-old kid achieving something so extraordinary that it catches the attention of both the scientific world and the FBI. Yes, you read that right. Jackson Oswalt, a young boy from Memphis, Tennessee, became the youngest person ever to achieve nuclear fusion, right in his own bedroom. But here's where it gets controversial. While his achievement was groundbreaking, it also sparked a visit from the FBI, raising questions about safety, regulation, and the role of young innovators in science. Let's dive into this fascinating story and explore the ripple effects it created. In a nutshell, a 12-year-old's nuclear milestone. Jackson Oswalt set a new world record by achieving nuclear fusion in his bedroom. FBI intervention. Agents visited his home to ensure safety and conduct a radiation sweep. Social media frenzy. The story went viral, though some posts exaggerated the FBI's involvement. Star, inspiring the next generation. Oswalt's achievement has motivated young minds to pursue STEM fields. The spark of genius. Jackson Oswalt's journey. Jackson Oswalt's story began when he was just 11 years old, inspired by Taylor Wilson, the previous record holder for the youngest person to achieve nuclear fusion. Determined to follow in Wilson's footsteps, Oswalt embarked on a mission to build his own nuclear fusion reactor. This wasn't a simple science fair project. It required an extraordinary level of dedication, resourcefulness, and a deep understanding of nuclear physics. Oswalt scoured eBay for components, many of which were sourced from liquidated research and military facilities. By his 13th birthday, he had successfully achieved nuclear fusion. Though Guinness World Records recognized him as the youngest to do so because he was technically still 12 at the time. But here's the part most people miss. Oswalt's achievement wasn't just about breaking records. It was a testament to what young minds can accomplish when given the right tools and encouragement. His story challenges the notion that groundbreaking science is only within the reach of adults or well-funded institutions. And this is the part that sparks debate. Should young innovators like Oswalt be celebrated without reservation? Or do their experiments warrant stricter oversight? The FBI's unexpected visit. The FBI's involvement in Oswalt's story adds a layer of intrigue. Agents visited his home to conduct a radiation sweep, ensuring that his experiment posed no risk to his family or community. According to Oswalt, the visit was brief and professional, with agents using a Geiger counter to confirm there were no radiation hazards. While the visit was routine, it raises important questions about the balance between innovation and safety. Is it fair to subject a 12-year-old to such scrutiny? Or is it a necessary step to prevent potential risks? This incident also highlights the growing concerns around nuclear technology, especially in an era of rising global tensions. For instance, fears of espionage and safety breaches, as seen in incidents like the French nuclear plant worker who nearly caused a meltdown, underscore the need for vigilance. Oswalt's case serves as a reminder that even well-intentioned experiments require oversight, especially when they involve potentially hazardous materials. The power of social media. Fact versus fiction. Social media played a pivotal role in amplifying Oswalt's story, but it also blurred the lines between fact and fiction. Posts on platforms like Facebook and Instagram often portrayed the FBI's visit as a dramatic raid, complete with exaggerated details. While these posts captured the public's imagination and inspired discussions about young scientists, they also demonstrated the challenges of verifying information in the digital age. How can we ensure that viral stories like Oswalt's are shared responsibly without distorting the truth? Despite the embellishments, the core of Oswalt's story remained intact. A young boy had achieved something remarkable, and his journey inspired countless others to explore STEM fields. The viral nature of his story also attracted media attention, further cementing his legacy as a trailblazer in scientific innovation. A lasting legacy and a call to action. Jackson Oswalt's achievement has left an indelible mark on the scientific community. His success proves that age is no barrier to innovation and underscores the importance of nurturing curiosity from a young age. Oswalt has continued to engage with the scientific community, sharing his knowledge at events like the University of Rochester Laboratory for Laser Energetics, where he was celebrated as the world's youngest fusioneer. But here's the bigger question. As technology advances and information becomes more accessible, what other extraordinary feats might young minds achieve in the future? How can society better support and encourage the next generation of innovators? Oswalt's theory is not just about one boy's achievement. It's a call to action for educators, policymakers, and communities to invest in young talent and create environments where curiosity can thrive. Final thoughts and a controversial question. Jackson Oswalt's journey is a testament to the power of human potential, but it also raises complex questions about safety, oversight, and the role of young innovators in science. Should we celebrate unfettered innovation? Or is it our responsibility to impose limits, even on the youngest among us? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Oswalt's experiment warranted FBI intervention, or should young scientists be given more freedom to explore? Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation about the future of scientific exploration.